How's it going, guys? It's Jason from Vape Brothers again, and today we're going to do the actual review of the OBS V-Tank. And I figured out that it's actually called the OBS V-Tank because I was an idiot and I just saw OBS and that's what I thought it was. Anyway, so I've been using this for about 2 weeks now and I freaking love it. It's like it's so fun. Like the drip tip I thought was going to be really ridiculous and it's not. I'm not going to go up close and personal because you already saw up close and personal. Everything that you saw is like, there's nothing really different about it. You got airflow holes, you got your coil, you got, drip tip, how you fill it. So the main thing is that this drip tip, right, or this fill port is right here. Now, I thought originally that it was going to be really leaky. And I think, so the first couple of times that I used it, it was a little bit leaky, like it would leak from occasion, but since I installed the second coil, I think now, it hasn't leaked unless I left the fill port open, which is a very big thing that I kept forgetting to do. So I lost, a couple things of juice, or not things, I lost, maybe a couple milliliters of juice just with that. But it's a solid tank. It's got impeccable flavor. It vapes really well. It produces a fairly big cloud. I mean, for this tank, it's freaking great. I mean, it's a really good deal. I believe I only got it for like 20 bucks or something like that, maybe 30 at most. But it's just unbelievable. I love it so much. I'm super glad that they gave you extra stuff with it. And so right now I obviously burned out through the first coil, which I found out it was just a single double wrapped coil. That's all it was. It was just a double wrapped coil, which isn't a V4, but this is the V8, so this is 4 dual wrapped coils, or this is 4 double wrapped coils, and it's just amazing. I love this tank. It's awesome. So, would I buy it again? Abso-freaking-lutely. I would totally buy this tank again. I just absolutely love it. There's not really much I can say other than I just love it. I was planning on showing you guys something today, like some first impressions, because that's what my idea was, right? I was going to try to get rid of the first impressions video because it seems that it just seems like it shouldn't be a video. Oh, yeah. So, this tank, yes, I would totally buy it again if I lost it. Like I was saying, the first impression. So I was hoping to have something for you guys today for first impressions, and I may have something at the end of this video because I'm recording this on a different date than the day that it's going up. So I may have something in some first impressions at the very end of this video, which would be awesome if I do, if I can get the product in time. But other than that, I'll take this time to explain to you guys that I will, on my 100th subscriber, whoever is the 100th subscriber, I'm going to be watching like a hawk. Whoever's the 100th subscriber, I'm going to private message you over Facebook, or not Facebook, I'm going to private message you over YouTube, and you will be receiving some of my favorite juice. Let's move some stuff out of the way here. I'm going to send you my favorite juice, and I'm going to be sending you 3 bottles of my favorite juice. So I'm going to be sending you Air Factory stuff, and I have these boxes on the side of my desk because I like them a lot. So I'm going to be sending you some wild apple, some blue raspberry, and some mystery flavors. These are my favorite flavors of all time of this particular brand. I mean, there's several other flavors that they do. It isn't just limited to Air Factory. It's also got Salt Factory and Treat Factory, and I have one flavor that I really love from Treat Factory, but those are the basics. But my 100th subscriber is going to be getting about $60 to $70 worth of juice, so be sure to hit that subscribe button, guys, because whoever's the 100th one gets that. And I'm planning on doing after that, if the channel keeps growing, I'm going to plan on doing a 500 and 1,000. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for coming back and liking my video. Also, make sure to hit that bell icon so you can get updated when I post stuff, because I do it now twice a week. I was hoping, originally I said I was going to do it once a week, but I'm doing it twice a week, so make sure to hit that bell icon, leave a like on this video. On my left here, this is a video that YouTube thinks that you'll like. On my right, here's that subscription button. Hit it. punch it, do whatever you want to it, but make sure you hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.